Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hamidun wa musalliyan amma ba'd. The world has witnessed to the golden period when the education field was dominated by Muslims. Muslims were the fountainhead of all sciences. Irrespective of religion, people around the world distilled sharbat from this resourceful tree of knowledge to satisfy their educational thirst. But unfortunately, the Muslim nation today is lagging behind in all spheres throughout the world, mainly because of educational backwardness. The pathetic fact must be admitted that they have ignored the importance of education given by the Holy Prophet, and therefore they are steeped in ignorance. God Almighty has made education a source of enlightenment, leading to both religious and secular accomplishments from the very first day. Prophet Adam was bestowed distinctive honor of education with comparison with angels. Later on, the last prophet of Allah was given the treasure trove of knowledge in the shape of the glorious Quran, which has unparalleled guidance and eternal solution to all problems if only Muslims have time, patience and strength of Iman to benefit from it. Thank you so much.